We have expeditions that go to the Rocky Mountains in Colorado to be operated in both altitude and high temperature. We go north to Alaska and drive on the ice roads up there. So we try to hit every climate environment, every terrain that the U.S. has to offer during development. And then we have engineers in the truck actually calibrating during that time to make sure that everything's performing the way it should.
It's got a big windshield, and when you see and you sit in the truck, the visibility that you have will be industry leading. And that's always very helpful from a safety standpoint.
Bar none, it's the safest truck we've ever had on the road. We've had airbags and seats for rollovers, but on this project we have an air curtain. So in a rollover, you have an air curtain that comes down and stops you from the door interface in the glass.
There have been tens of thousands of hours spent, even before we build one part, to try to make the vehicle as safe as possible.